Okay, today I'll be telling you how to put goal horns on the NHL 13 for Xbox. If you want to know how to do that, most of it you gotta go to the other how to put songs in the NHL. So after you do that, you go to the media hub. So we're gonna go there. EA Sports, the music. I'm gonna try, let's see, who do I wanna, let's go, I don't have them for all, so, yeah, let's go to Penguins. So, you go to the intro, and you gotta make a playlist. You'll probably find out how to do that. There's the goal horn. I would hit A. So, now we're gonna go into the game, and you'll see what happens when it is in effect. Okay, now we're about to hear the goal horn, and hopefully my controller won't go out like it did last time. So, here we go. Just gonna start this up. So there's that, and now we'll hear what happens when the goal goes off. Okay, so this is what happens when the goal goes off. I get beat a regular, and then another one will go off, so that's the other one. So that's how you get goal horns on the NHL 13. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and leave comments.